Hello guys. Today our 5th lecture of WordPress. Today we see how to make pages in WordPress. Let's start. Creating pages to your website are similar to that of incorporating posts in WordPress. Pages can be defined as a collective set of static content that does not change its display information dynamically during the website run. Pages you see on every website. Adding pages is similar to adding posts in WordPress. Let us now get to know how to add or make a page in WordPress. For adding pages in WordPress, click on Pages. And then click Add New. Now you will see a new screen where you will be given the option to add a title and content for your web page. Here give title where you can insert the title of your page like product name, dress. Content where you will inscribe the content for your page. You can also insert images here for your products. Click on Publish. Open browser and refresh. This is your page. You can add more pages. Here give images. Open your website and refresh. This is your page. For edit pages, go to Pages and select All Pages. When drag the cursor on the pages. There are two ways to edit the Post Edit and Quick Edit. Click on Edit option. You can edit or change the content or title from the page as per your need, and then click on Update button. This will update your pages. Here is option for Quick Edit. Click on Quick Edit. You can edit the title, slug and date of page, and can also select the parent for your page, and then click on Update button. For deleting a page here from the list of all published pages, you have to drag your mouse on that page, which you want to delete. Then you will find a trash option. Click on Trash. This will delete your pages. Open browser and refresh. If you have learned to edit, publish and delete your pages, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.